So I'm trying this eggplant technique from Vivaldi restaurant where you actually flour the eggplant and dip it in ice water and then in the oil, which is crazy since you always say don't put oil and water together, but so far it looks okay and I have had no problems, no real splattering. You can see it sizzling, so we'll see how it comes out. I have a rack set up over here to drain it off into. And then we'll sprinkle it with a little seasoning, and I have some tzatziki dip, and we'll be ready for dinner. I'll show it to you when it's finished frying. They're getting nice and golden now, so I'm going to pull them because they're really thin and I don't want them to overcook. So I'm going to take them out and put them on the rack.